Hello everyone. So for Google's hackathon, I've decided to build an end-to-end pipeline of business analysts as my final capstone project. As you can see, it comes across multiple layers of agents and multiple dashboard features. Now let's upload it one CSV file. Now, as you can see, the moment I uploaded the CSV file, it counted out the number of rows, column, and a security check status. Now I will run the full pipeline. So the entire system comprises of six agents. First one is security check agent, which will cross verify whether there was any kind of prompt injection in the data set. Second one is CSV reader, which will find out number of rows, columns, as well as the missing data points. EDA agent will give some insights based on the exploratory data analysis. Chart generator agent will build column-wise charts to find out the skewness as well as the correlation. Chart validator will cross verify based on the CSV data as well as the chart produced, are they accurate or not. Then summary. Summary agent will conclude the entire process along with the business insights. So column preview will give the data types of each columns, and another section raw data preview. It will give up to 50 sets of data. Now plot, it will have six plots or number on the basis of columns. It will have plots showcasing the distribution of the data points. As you can see, first column is showing normal distribution. Second one is showing right skewness. Third one is showing left skewness, and fourth one is showing bimodal, and final one is showing the uniform. We'll also create a correlation heat map, which will give a brief idea whether the data points are interrelated to each other or not. Now the EDA one. EDA will count out the number of rows or columns which are absent in the data sets, and as you can see, there were none. Now these talking about the per column behavior, what would be the mean, what would be the standard deviation, number of skewness or kurtosis. These are the basic EDA points which we need to be calculated, and in this agentic system it will be calculated automatically. Now outliers detected per column is 15, 97 and 85, and correlation summary based on the correlation heat map was independent. And finally, the summary reports based on these EDAs. It will give the entire structure of data sets, EDA finding, mean, median, standard deviation, skewness, chart description based on the each charts, few of the business insights, and data quality. You can also download it. Plus, for debugging the entire process, I have also shared the audit log of each agent, which will undergo the process, and it will also count out the issues or any kind of fallback along the entire pipeline process. Now coming back to the one more demo, let's say if there was any kind of data set which had prompt injection. So let's say I have prepared one sample data set, let's say blocked sample. So as you can see, it automatically blocked the entire pipeline and also showed a pop-up why it had decided to stop the process. So ignore, there was one key data point which was ignore previous instruction. These data points are often used to remove all the guardrails or system prompts which agent usually have. For giving this, I have used the reject style to make it mandatory, like system built, rather than being an agentic. As you can see, even if I try to run it, I will get nothing out of here. So yeah, this was my final project for Google's hackathon. Thanks for listening till the end.